Hi everyone, welcome back. So I have my friend Kavita. You've seen her in a video before, in my current roll video. So she's back to do a video on corn pie with us. So I hope you all enjoy this one. And go check out her channel. It's called Trini Kitchen. Everything about her channel will be listed in the description box below.
So the ingredients we have are onion powder, garlic powder, butter, green seasoning. This is the basic green seasoning with shadow benny, chives, garlic and onion. We have sweet peppers, pimentos, carrots, celery, cream corn and whole corn, and of course cornmeal, salt and pepper to taste, and cheese.
Okay, so we have some New Zealand cheddar, and we call this Trini cheese in Trinidad. So yeah, just use some Trini cheese or any type of cheese you prefer. You could use some pepper jack or some sharp cheddar. Any kind of cheese you like, you can use it in the recipe.
And milk.
Yes. This is whole milk.
Yeah, full cream.
And if you don't want to use full cream, you could use heavy whipping cream to make it creamier. You can use some evaporated milk if you want, or even low fat, right?
Yeah. So now we're gonna blend our vegetables.
Okay.
So we're gonna add the carrots. So in this bowl here we have the carrots, the sweet peppers, pimentos and celery. So now we're going to add the milk to our pot.
Able to walk without it. So how much milk you put in there?
The entire package.
Okay.
Just like 1 liter.
Okay. So we will leave the exact list of ingredients in the description box below. And how high or low should the heat be?
It should be low heat, so we just want it to heat up a little. Okay. So I'm adding in the sweet peppers, carrots, celery and pimentos into the milk. The onion powder and garlic powder, green seasonings.
So you said you have some chive, some onion, garlic, and shadow benny.
Yeah.
So if you notice, she didn't add any hot pepper to it. So if you want to, you could add hot pepper.
And salt to taste. So in goes the cream corn. And the whole corn. Gonna add some of our cheese into the mixture in here. And we'll keep half of it to top of our pie.
Okay.
We just want the cheese to melt a little.
Okay.
So we're going to add a little cornmeal at a time.
Okay.
And whisk.
So as you add the cornmeal, you have to keep whisking it because it'll get lumpy. So it's starting to get nice and thick now.
We want it to come together like a soft, smooth dough.
So kind of like when you're making pastels.
Yeah.
Because corn flour absorbs
Absorbs,
liquid.
yes.
It keeps absorbing like sand. So you like this brand from Asa?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is one of the best brands.
This brand.
So this takes a lot of arm strength to mix because it starts to get heavy.
Yeah. It'll work out.
Yeah.
You half of the top.
Okay.
It actually comes together and looks like this.
So it's very thick.
Yeah. Now I'm going to add in our butter in here. And mix again. I'm going to turn off my heat. And just add this to our baking dish.
Too full.
Yeah, not too much because
It's right.
yeah.
Okay, so really helps.
So just put it on.
So you just want to spread it out. And we have a little bit of the mixture left, which we'll make in the next pan. So spread. Right, and then you add the cheese on top.
Yeah.
Okay, so how long is this gonna be?
You're gonna put it at 350 degrees just until the top comes on.
Okay. So the pies came out the oven and I'm really excited. So you have to cut into this now.
Yep.
Even though it's not fully cooled, we need to cut into this now because it smells amazing.
Steam's still coming out.
So even though it's really hot still inside, you think it'll break apart?
It will just be a little moist.
As it cools down, it's gonna
Come
get
together.
nice and thick and it'll pull together when you cut it, so it wouldn't be this sticky. So I guess we're gonna do the taste test now. I like the crispy parts.
And this will go well with stew or either bake.
So stew or baked chicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or even fish.
And I know it goes good with callaloo too, right?
Yeah.
So I hope you all enjoyed Kavita's corn pie recipe. I definitely enjoyed it and I will be enjoying it for the rest of the night. So make sure you go subscribe to Kavita's channel at Trini Kitchen. Everything will be listed in the description box below, so go check that out. Kavita, you want to say anything? Okay, so make sure you go check out her channel. She'll be posting a lot of videos soon. So I'll definitely be sharing everything that she'll be posting.